Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to VBest Kitchen. You are all warmly welcome. Today, lovelies, I want to share with you how I make my simple all green chili sauce, and you love it. It's spicy, and the ingredients put together are so heavily. So please stay tuned to the end. Be inspired. Try this recipe out and thank me later. You can pair this spicy green chili sauce with a lot of Ghanaian dishes, which I've already tried some and I loved it. Try this out. This recipe is amazing. You will love it. This is so beautiful and everything is on point. Without further ado, family, let's begin with my ingredients. I've got curly parsley. Yeah, next I've got rosemary. Okay, and next I've got thyme. Next, I've got coriander. Yeah, next I've got scallions or spring onions. Next, I've got celery. Next, I've got my lime, bell peppers, and green paprika. Next, green chilies. Next, I've got coriander seeds, anise seeds, shrimp tablets. Next, I've got my chicken seasonings and black peppercorns. Next, I've got ginger and garlic paste. Yeah, so I'm going to add vinegar to the water and then add all my ingredients, and I'm adding my green paprika and chili peppers. Next, I'll go ahead and add my green bell peppers. Next, my scallions, beautiful, and then my celery. Next, I've got my parsley, and next coriander. Next, I've got my rosemary, and then thyme. So cool. I'm gonna head to cover them for about 20 minutes for them to release their dirt in the vinegar solution, and after that I'll wash them thoroughly under running water. Okay, so now I'm back and I'm going to put the green parts in the blender. It's two ways. Either you put the green parts only or you just blend all of them without separating them. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to just blend all of them without separating the green parts from the brown part. Okay, so it's optional. If you wash them well, there's no point separating them. Okay, next I'm going ahead to add all of the green ingredients into the blender just like so. Now I'm adding my coriander seeds, anise seeds, and shrimp tablet to it. Next, I'm going ahead to add my black peppercorns and chicken seasonings. So cool. And last but not the least, my ginger and garlic paste. Okay. So finally, I'm going ahead to add some lime zest by grating some of them to the ingredients that I've got in the blender. Wow, I love the flavor. I'm going ahead to also cut it into two and squeeze the lime juice to add it to the ingredients for flavor. And I'm adding my oil. I'm going ahead to blend all of them onto homogeneous. Family, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video if so far you are enjoying the recipe and the video as a whole. So soon we are all done blending, and I'm going ahead to straight away transfer some of my marinade in to my saucepan, and then guys I'll let it cook perfectly from raw and fresh marinade to a well cooked, spicy, healthy, and nutritious all green chili sauce. So at this point, I'm going to give it time to simmer down properly for it to be well cooked. And this took about 30 minutes to be ready. The juice in the vegetables has started splashing out, so I'll cover it up with my splatter guard so that there wouldn't be a lot of cleaning to do after making it. Yeah. Family, so far, if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share for others to see. And if it's your first time here, hey, you are warmly welcome. Kindly do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. So lovelies, I'm now adding onions for flavor because the sauce is almost ready. Okay, so I'll still give it time to simmer down until all the water or juice in it dries out completely. Okay, so we are almost there. I'm back again to check on our sauce, and it looks almost ready. And so far, so good. I've checked the salt content is okay and the flavor is so on top. Everything is perfect. So I'm so impressed. I'm back again and finally our green chili sauce is so ready because all the juice in it is dried out and I'm loving this. The aroma is great. The flavor is amazing. Now our sauce is ready, so I'll turn off the heat for it to cool off, yeah? After that, transfer it into a clean and dry jar. Keep it in a dry and cool place for it to stay longer on the shelf, okay? Right now, there is no traces of juice or water in the sauce, so we are assured of a long-term preservation, yeah? Lovelies, I hope you've been inspired. Our green chili sauce is all set and ready. Wow, what a beautiful aroma. And I couldn't wait. So I paired some with my delicious Ghanaian dishes. And my oh my, you need to try this out, family. Just check this out. Isn't this mouth-watering and inviting? I'm so sure you are already salivating. But no worries. Go out there, get all the ingredients and make some for yourself. Okay. And one more thing, family. A video of my chicken and vegetable stir fry is coming very soon on the channel. So stay glued and be inspired as well. And lovelies, I used the rest of the marinade to bake my chicken and the result was so amazing. I'll leave the link of the video in the description box. Check it out and try this out. I'm sure you'll love it too. Okay? Thank you for being with me till now. I'm really grateful. Mwah, kiss. Bye, y'all.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.